What is going on, traders and investors? Camilo here from Trending Wavez, bringing you to another end of day market update for this Thursday, April the 29th of 2021. I hope you guys had a fantastic trading session today. We had some good volatility at the open. We sold off heavily around 1.5% to 2%, and then we found support at the 418 level to then take us back up. All right, so the account here that I'm favoring has always been that we are favoring further upside. Okay, we do have an alternate account which suggests that if we do start printing a flat, then we can see a potential further downside. I'll review that chart with you guys momentarily, but taking you over to the SPY and our preferred interpretation, from the October lows, we went up in 1, down in 2, up in 3, down in 4, and now we are looking to complete the wave 5. Taking you down to the 1 hour time frame, we'll review this as from the March lows, up in 1 in the minute degree, ABC wave 2, 1, 2, 3, ABC wave 4, and now we're here. The way I'm looking at this, if I take you down into the 15-minute time frame, this area is similar to this price structure here, okay? And if we note the similarities in that we sold off heavily and then we impulsed back up into new all-time highs at these levels. All right, we're then consolidating, but not to say that that could be the case that we're going to consolidate and then ramp up higher. Who knows what's going to happen? But the way I'm seeing this is that we went up in 1, down in 2, 3, ABC into the wave 4, an expanded triangle into the wave 5 of 1. Now 3 waves down that found support between the 61.8% to the 415, to the 100% extension, or 415 spot 66. Which also found support at the 416 level. Okay, now once we found support here, we ran up higher. Our next levels are that we should be looking for are, if say this is wave 1, all right, of our next leg up in the wave 3, which could potentially finish at 425 spot 29. This level came from a projection of wave, an extension of wave 1, projected down to wave 2. You'll get the 100% extension. Now, provided that tomorrow and into Monday we find good volume and we continue to the upside, if this is wave 1, we're going to go down into wave 2. So the levels that I'm watching coming into tomorrow for the wave 2 are 419.28, 419.01, or even down to the previous high here of 418 spot 26. Okay, which if we take a retracement tool, that could be these levels, the 50%, the 38%, and the 23%, which is again repeating from 419 down to the 418 area. Okay, once we find support here, we can anticipate a push up to all-time highs. Okay, I am trying to look for a new trade coming into the next week if we confirm these levels. All right, if we don't, then taking you over to the alternate interpretation, which I've been operating. I've been operating with the intention that this might be a flat. So a flat composes of 3, 3, and 5. Okay, we see 3 waves here, 3 waves up into wave B. This level, the 1272 or 420, has been a level that I've been stressing to you guys in the group. All right, if you guys are new to the channel, you'll know this also because I've been presenting this in these updates where the 1272 external retracement has been a level of concern. Now we found resistance at these levels, and if we don't start pushing up higher, guys, coming into tomorrow or next week, then I do anticipate 5 waves down into the wave C. Okay, I know in our preferred interpretation I'm saying that we might get a minor pullback into the wave 2. We'll know if it's a corrective pullback or a impulsive pullback, right? And what I mean by that, if we start seeing heavy sell-off tomorrow, then that could potentially signal. We have to look at the volume and we have to look at the direction of the sell-off. All right, if it's pretty impulsive or vertical in nature, and if we start taking out the support levels that I just mentioned, like butter, if we start cutting through them really fast, then we'll know that we are within this wave count. I don't favor this. I don't think that's the case, but who knows? We'll see coming into tomorrow. All right, so taking you over to the triple Qs, or the Nasdaq ETF. The way I'm viewing this, okay, so taking you over to the daily time frame, we from the intermediate wave 1 down in 2, we're now looking for wave 1, wave 2, intermediate wave, minor degree wave 3 to complete. So down to the 1 hour time frame, we'll note that from the March lows, wave 1, ABC into the wave 2, we're up in 1, down in 2, up in 3, and as you know here, just like in the S&P, we are finding it difficult to break up higher. Okay, we attempted it yesterday, but we failed to break out of it. Okay, and now we sold off. Now taking it down to the 1 hour time, to the 15-minute time frame, we'll note that wave 4 came to completion at the 38, between the 23 to the 38% retracement. Okay, which were at the 335 or the 335 level. We're now going up in 1, A, B, C down into wave 2. Okay, that found support at the 338.2%, 338 spot 22 level. Now, what I'm looking for to tomorrow is that we can push higher. Okay, so this level came in. Let's take a look. If we take a retracement tool, okay, and we go to the wave 1, we'll notice that that came in at the that's the 50. Let's take a look at the 618. Spot on, right? So we found support at the 618 retracement of this wave 1 advance. Now, to take a projection, the projection comes in at the 100%. So I'm finding our targets to be anywhere between 345 to 350 coming into tomorrow. Not tomorrow, you know, what I'm looking into tomorrow is that we break new all-time highs. But for next week or following week, I want to see 345 to 350 price target on the triple Qs. Okay, so taking you over to our alternate count, just like in the S&P, I am looking at a flat here. Okay, so minor degree wave 3 finished on April 16th. ABC, 3 waves. ABC, another 3 waves into wave B, potentially A, B, and C, another leg higher, which will take us to the 1272, which as you saw on the S&P, we held as resistance. So that may happen again to us on the triple Qs, and then we find ourselves selling off heavily into the wave 4 in the minor degree. So all in all, I do see further upside in the indices and in the markets. The markets are looking strong. We've had good earnings from big tech. Amazon reported today, also reported great seller earnings, and so yeah, I think that we should be good to go. But again, the markets will do what the markets want to do. Anyway, I do appreciate your time and your patience. So if you enjoy this content, please subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up and the notification bell. Also, if you want to get updates daily on the S&P and the triple Qs, or if you have any questions on particular stocks that you want Elliott Wave interpretations and analysis for, consider joining our group. We are a growing community, so the link will be in the description down below. As always, thank you so much for your time, and I shall see you guys bright and early tomorrow and next week. Take care. Bye-bye.